I don't know. So Christina found this dead bird, and it's got ants crawling on it. Yeah. I'm still filming the bird. So this looks a lot like the Washington State bird. Christina!
A lizard just attacked me!
Oh man, maybe it is mating season. They're all being tough.
A little lizard just attacked me. Literally, like, came at me and I got scared.
Well no, this looks like the Washington State bird. You know, the Washington State bird's yellow, so I wonder if this is one of those. You don't see them very often. We've seen a few around here, but nothing recent.
Scary.
You know, flies are starting to come in. Look at that blue bottle fly. It's sure pretty in the sun.